Oh, that was nice.
I just hope there's no wires under here to...
Is it actually only a thin shell?
Yeah.
Huh. So they're still breaking some foam, basically. It's the problem.
Or something.
We'll see. Oh, there it goes.
Unfortunately, some electronics came one way and some came the other way. I'm gonna do a similar thing here. I don't think we should remove the gearbox unless we have to. I feel like the battery is the source of the problem. I don't even know what this is. There's some text, but it's covered up by the glue.
Oh, that's not good. That means it thinks it's dead.
So that side's free. And this side's free. So it's only a little bit of glue holding it together.
What does it look like? Okay, should put it down, put it down.
So there's a tab on one side, tab on the other side. That's it.
That looked like it might have worked. Go. Very good. And now do the main. Nice. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay.
Let's put it into charge.
Nothing. Jesus. The real question is this battery too fat to fit where the old battery fit?
Yeah, but we'll just cut part of the body shell out. And,
Alright.
Or, you know, we could just tape it in place.
Okay.
It's probably good enough, right? And then we'll just tape
and
this.
just do one more piece for that guy.
This feels pretty tight.
So it's newer than the other one. Do we need like slightly different rubber bands? That's probably why it snapped though. It's probably it's probably a little bit too tight. This is a adjustable. This is a feature, not a bug.
Right there.
Okay, there we go. We moved it back. Okay. Okay.
Power.
Nothing to see here with these batteries. Really, it looks.
It's a battery. Wow.
Yeah, the battery. Wow.
Oh.
See. That's the danger. That's what the protection's really there for.
Right. Let's do it that way. Let's see if it still has voltage after that adventure.
I'll show that the battery's now directly connected, not through those PCB. Now I got the propeller. Okay, now press the button. Oh, we have a little bit of safety. Level of sadness prevention, 5 out of 10.
We have the ability to run away quickly and douse this with a bucket of dirt.
Oh, it looks beautiful. Okay, beautiful. Okay, we'll do the same thing.
Adequate. Now, if we land on something pointy, I'll just
Jesus Christ! Can we do it out from the top? Ooh! It looks like it's already running out of juice again. No, it's still falling with style now.
Nope. Yeah.
Okay.
Well.